What we're going to do is just do an introduction warm-up stroke on the top of the foot. We're going to be working through the top of the foot, the toes, and all around the ankle bones. So what we're going to do is our 3 lines, and we have this inside, middle, and outside, and we're just going to come down and down and down and repeat that 3 times at least. Now this pressure is a little lighter because you're on a lot of bony surfaces, but it still feels really good to have the top of your foot worked. You can actually bring that up and work through each of the toes so they feel integrated. And then make sure you do some circular kneading around those ankle bones and come right up through the front of that ankle. Again, lighter pressure, and you can talk with the person you're working on to make sure the pressure is okay. From here, we're going to go straight into a warm-up stroke for the leg and working through the front of the leg. Coming off of this ankle area and straight into the front of the leg, what you have to realize, and we're just applying some oil here, is that you have this really big bone right here, and you can't do massage on that bone. So the only thing that really works on the lower part of the leg is just C-shaped kneading. And there's not really even 3 lines that you can do. We're just going to make sure that we cover most of this outside area, even onto this fibula bone right here, right on top of that bone. There's some muscles that get really overused with sports and activities, and it feels really good to have those. Now realize, again, you're on a bone, so talk to the person you're working on, make sure that the pressure is okay. But we're just going to go back and forth, and I'm really straddling that bone on the top of the leg, the shin bone. Back and forth. And that is pretty much all we're going to do with the front of the leg. And we're going to head straight into the knee and do some work there.